In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I moved this $2 account to 140 plus profits in just hours trading synthetic indices. So do make sure you watch the video the whole way. Don't skip, because you might skip vital information that you need in order for you to replicate the same results. With that said, let's get straight into it. So growing a small account in Forex is not easy, but it's possible. It requires you to have accuracy on your entries and also patience. Patience is the key, guys, because you don't want to over leverage on one trade and blow your account. And another thing, when you're growing a small account with synthetic indices, you have to start with indices with low volatility. I would advise you start with Jump 100 because it has low volatility, and also VIX 151s and VIX 251s. Those are the ones that I love to start with when I'm trading a small account, because they have low volatility but they have high leverage. So you can enter a lot of slots with your small account. When you find a good entry, you can go full margin if you want to speed up the process, but I wouldn't advise you to start with full margin. When you want to grow your account, you start less. So here, as you can see in the background, I started with Jump 100. All I wanted from this Jump 100 is at least to double the account. If the account can go to 4 USD, I'll close my position and look for another setup. So that was my thinking here. So shortly after, the trade went in profit. It went all the way to like $3 in profits, but unfortunately the time I came to close it, I found to say it has retested all the way back to $1 in profit. So I just had to close the $1 and just move to another trade. So shortly after, I found a trade on VIX 251s. Unfortunately, I didn't screen record this when I was entering it, but I managed to like enter a lot of slots because I found it at a very nice entry, guys. So I couldn't even take time to screen record. I just had to like enter my positions very quick. So I closed about 6 point something USD in profits, which took my account to 10 USD. Now my account is big, so I just had to now increase the risk so I can get to my profit target fast. So my profit target was at least 100 USD. That's what I wanted, at least 100 USD plus on this account, just to show you guys, and it's possible for you to grow your small account. So shortly after, I found another setup on VIX 151s. It was a very good setup. I found price has reached my area of interest, and then it formed a reversal pattern, which was the W pattern. So I knew to say price will shoot all the way up here. Those of you that are in the trading academy can testify to this, because I've taught how to trade these patterns in the PDFs. So if you want to learn how to trade from me personally, just make sure you DM me and I'll fill you in on how you can join my mentorship program. I have a mentorship program that is ongoing. I recently just launched it, and so far the response has been amazing. So if you want to learn how to trade from me personally, just make sure you DM me, especially if you want to learn synthetic indices. I'm very good in that area, so I can teach you how to actually become profitable with synthetic indices. The strategy also works for Forex. I just prefer trading synthetic indices myself. So yeah, I found to say a lot of you guys love account management, and that's a shallow way of thinking. You see, you should rather choose to get the skill than just make money. I found to say I flipped a lot of accounts of people that actually will promise to say they will join the academy after I flip for them, but once they just see the money, they just get and go use it, and then they'll want money again, and they'll come back to me asking for me to flip their accounts again, you see. So now I always advise you go for the skill. Just go for the skill. I have people in my academy that are actually making money like that, you see. They were making more money than me with the things that I taught them. So I would advise you to just learn the skill of prediction with the FX B2B strategy, so you can start withdrawing other than you just coming for account management. With that said, let's get back to the video. So shortly after, I found a very good setup on VIX 75. So what I was seeing here was a bullish flag. The market moves in two phases. There's an impulse phase and a correction phase. So I found market on a correction phase, so I knew to say market is about to shoot up, making another impulse phase, right? So the pattern it was forming here is known as a bullish flag. So I knew to say it's about to shoot up. This is not rocket science, guys. This is just pure price action. I've simplified all these things in the PDF. All you have to do is just join my mentorship program and you get access to all this data. So I sent the same exact signal in a VIP group so we can eat together with my people. I love eating with my people, guys. So if you want to take the same exact 3 trades that I take, just make sure you DM me and I'll fill you in on how you can join the Signal platform. So a lot of you have been asking me why I haven't been uploading of late on YouTube. Well, I've just been feeling lazy. I think it's because you guys are not sharing the content, you see. So YouTube is not recommending the content to other people. So that becomes depressing, guys. When you put in the work and you're not seeing the results that you want, it becomes a little bit depressing. So you guys should start sharing my work if you want me to post more videos, because I have a lot of content in my phone, because I've been flipping a lot of accounts to thousands of late, which I want to show you how to do it, but then I feel lazy to edit the videos for you guys because I don't get the response that I want. But if you guys can start sharing the content to other people so YouTube can recommend, I'll start posting more videos. You see, this content that I share here for free, people pay hundreds of dollars to get access to such information, but here I share for free. All I need is just a like, comment and share from you guys. I think you guys can do that for me, right? So yeah, the other reason why I haven't been uploading is because I haven't been feeling well of late. I've been down for the past 2 weeks, guys. Like, it's been crazy. So that's why I haven't been active on my free Telegram channel. But now I feel much better because you guys have been praying for me. Those of you that follow me on Instagram, I've been reaching out and that has been helping a lot. So just comment "get well soon" in the comment section below and just pray for me, guys, so I can get better soon. So I'll leave the link to my free Telegram channel so you can join if you want to get access to my free signals and free updates. So just join my Telegram channel because I'm active there. I'm usually active there, so just join. Yeah, so with that said, let's get back to the video. So after waiting for a short time, boom, the trade was in deep profit. I was in 80 plus USD profits, so I just had to close my position because I was satisfied with the profits and just look for another setup. So shortly after, I found another setup on VIX 75 1S. What I was seeing here was a rising wedge, and the rising wedge always falls, right? So I knew to say the market is about to sell hard from here, so I just had to enter a lot of slots so I can capitalize fully. So my plan was to at least make 150 USD. So when I saw price reach 150 USD, I just had to close my positions and just call it a wrap because I was satisfied with the profits. So yeah, as you can see, it's actually very possible for you to grow your small account into something manageable, right? So yeah, all you need is the right skill. So learn the art of prediction with the FX B2B strategy and start withdrawing. With that said, see you in the next video. I'm out.
Mountain ground, горная поляна, таких мест как здесь жаль, но осталось мало, люди едут с Ямала.